Understanding Out of Your League, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, conversations, or even read in books. Out of your league. It's a common expression with a rich context, and understanding it can add depth to your English communication skills. Let's get started. The phrase, out of your league, traditionally refers to a situation where someone or something is considered too good, sophisticated, or high in status for another person. Originally related to sports leagues, where teams are grouped based on their performance levels, this phrase has transcended into everyday language to signify a mismatch in social, physical, or intellectual compatibility. The origins of out of your league lie in the world of sports, where teams or players are categorized into leagues or divisions based on their skills, achievements, or records. When applied to personal scenarios, it implies that the target of one's interest or competition is on a different level, be it in attractiveness, wealth, intelligence, or social standing. To grasp the meaning fully, let's look at some examples. In romance, don't bother asking her out. She's out of your league. This implies the person being referred to is seen as too attractive or desirable for the speaker. In professional settings, he aimed for the managerial position, but with his current experience, it was out of his league. Here, it suggests the job was too demanding or required more qualifications than the person had. In general achievements, that school is out of my league, meaning, the school is too prestigious or competitive for the speaker to realistically consider attending. When using out of your league, it's important to understand the context. It can be used humorously, modestly, or even to express admiration for someone or something. However, be mindful of the potential for the phrase to come across as demeaning or discouraging if used inappropriately. Understanding phrases like out of your league can enrich your English vocabulary and help you convey nuances in social interactions. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression, and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey. Embrace every step and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.